Progress, progress! Got our ignition finalized, wired up. I got our temp gauge hooked up. Ooh. What's the horn do? What's Fernsy's mom on a Saturday night do? Blows. Damn, them horns is horns. So, getting her up and running. I wanted to get some temp in it. I topped off our coolant. Everything in here is wired. Nothing too major. Alright, we're going to get our lights handled. Also, even though this is 61, it's got the tank and the radiator and everything from about a 65. So the temp fender wasn't where it's supposed to be and all that, but it's okay. It's a nice car. Yeah, we got our wiring, our ground. Super nice. Everything's looking good. Alright, headlights. Next.